Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's rapidly transforming our world, generative AI. Whether you're a curious individual looking to enhance your daily life or a computer science and engineering student eager to grasp the cutting edge, this video is for you. We'll explore how generative AI works, its incredible applications in our daily routines, and its specific relevance for those pursuing careers in technology. Get ready to discover your new superpower. Generative AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary field within artificial intelligence that empowers machines to create new, original content. Unlike traditional AI that analyzes or classifies existing data, generative AI produces something entirely new. So what exactly is generative AI? At its core, it's about algorithms learning from vast amounts of existing data to generate novel outputs. Think of it as teaching a computer to paint by showing it millions of paintings. Eventually, it learns the patterns and styles and can create its own unique artwork. Briefly, how does it work? Generative AI models often use techniques like generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and transformer models. GANs involve two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, competing to create increasingly realistic outputs. Transformers, on the other hand, are excellent at understanding context and generating coherent sequences, like text or code. In today's fast-paced world, generative AI is becoming incredibly important. It's automating creative tasks, personalizing experiences, and even helping us solve complex problems in innovative ways. From accelerating content creation to driving scientific discovery, its impact is profound and growing. Now let's explore how generative AI is already making a tangible difference in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. One of the most apparent applications is in content creation. Text generators can draft emails, articles, and even creative stories. Image generators can produce stunning artwork, realistic photos, or unique designs from simple text prompts. Even music generation is now possible, allowing AI to compose original scores or variations on existing themes. Imagine the possibilities for artists, writers, and musicians. Generative AI also powers much of the personalization we experience online. Recommendation systems for movies, music, and products often use generative techniques to suggest new items you might love. Smart assistants are becoming more conversational and helpful, generating more human-like responses. It's all about tailoring experiences to asterisk your unique preferences. Beyond content and personalization, generative AI is a powerful tool for problem solving. It can explore vast solution spaces and generate novel ideas that humans might not easily conceive. This is proving invaluable in fields like drug discovery, material science, and even architecture, by quickly prototyping and visualizing complex solutions. For computer science and engineering students, understanding generative AI isn't just an advantage. It's becoming a fundamental skill. This technology is reshaping how software is built, how hardware is designed, and how data is utilized. Consider code generation and debugging. AI models can suggest code snippets, complete functions, and even write entire programs from high-level descriptions. They can also assist in debugging by identifying potential errors and suggesting fixes, significantly accelerating development cycles and reducing tedious tasks. This means more time for complex problem-solving and innovation. In design and prototyping, generative AI is a game-changer. For UX/UI, it can rapidly generate multiple interface layouts or visual designs based on user requirements. In hardware engineering, it can design optimized components, circuit boards, or even entire system architectures, exploring possibilities far beyond manual human design. This accelerates the iterative design process dramatically. Data augmentation and synthesis are also critical. In many engineering problems, acquiring enough real-world data for training robust models is a challenge. Generative AI can create synthetic yet realistic data to augment existing datasets, improving model performance without the need for expensive or time-consuming data collection. This is vital for fields like robotics, autonomous systems, and medical imaging. Now, how can you, especially as a student or aspiring professional, use generative AI effectively? First, understand its limitations. Generative AI, while powerful, isn't perfect. It can sometimes produce hallucinations or outputs that are factually incorrect or nonsensical. Always verify information generated by AI, especially for critical tasks. Treat it as a powerful assistant, not an infallible oracle. Second, Prioritize ethical considerations and responsible use. Be aware of issues like data privacy, bias in generated content, and potential misuse. Use generative AI to augment human capabilities, not to replace critical thinking or creativity. Always strive for transparency when AI is involved in content creation. Finally, continuous learning and experimentation are key. The field of generative AI is evolving at an incredible pace. Stay updated with the latest research, experiment with different models and tools, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. The more you practice, the better you'll become at leveraging this technology. So what does the future hold for generative AI? We can expect even more sophisticated models, capable of generating longer, more complex, and more coherent content across various modalities. Think multimodal AI that can generate video and audio from text prompts. The integration of generative AI into everyday tools and platforms will become even more seamless, making it accessible to a broader audience. Its potential impact on industries and society is immense. From accelerating scientific discovery and personalized education to revolutionizing entertainment and art, generative AI will continue to reshape how we work, learn, and create. It will drive new forms of creativity and efficiency, opening up entirely new possibilities that we are only just beginning to imagine. For all you computer science and engineering students out there, the time to dive into generative AI is now. This field offers immense opportunities for innovation, research, and career growth. Don't just learn about it, experiment with it, build with it, and be a part of shaping its future. The possibilities are truly endless.